Hello, magandang araw mga kababayan. This is again Charm from SIC Global Consultants. So today, another good news kasi tatlo na naman po mga kababayan natin ang natupad ang pangarap na makapagtrabaho at makahanap ng bagong opportunity sa Europe. There are so many opportunities waiting for you in Europe. Many Filipinos have already made it, and you can be the next. Send me a message, and I will help you begin your visa journey.